But today what do we see? There is no deputy speaker. In the 17th and 18th Lok Sabhas for the past 7 years, the post of the deputy speaker has been kept vacant. Article 93 of our constitution very clearly says that the house of the people shall, the word shall is used, as soon as may be choose 2 members of the house to be respectively speaker and deputy speaker. If the post becomes vacant, immediately another one shall be elected. Then there's Article 95(2) of the Constitution. What does it say? It says during the absence of the Speaker from any sitting of the House of the deputies or the Deputy Speaker, if he is also absent, any other person who can be determined by the House. Today when the debate started, what did we see? The person, no disrespect to the current chairperson sitting there, but there was no consensus, there was no spirit of the House that was taken into accordance as to who is going to preside over the proceedings. The Speaker, the Honorable Speaker of the 18th Lok Sabha, has achieved many firsts. Unfortunately, all of them have been less than graceful benchmarks. He keeps talking about the vaunted Garima of the House, but it has come to a point that the minute the Speaker comes into the House, Garima leaves the House. That's where we are today. I am first going to analyze the Honorable Speaker's inglorious record on a macro level, and then I am going to dissect it on a micro level. So let's look at the first macro point. Suspensions under Rule 374A of the Lok Sabha Rules and Proceedings. Now, what did we have before? First, we had Rule 374, which required any suspension to go through a formal motion. 2001, Atalji's government, NDA government, you bring in 374A, which gives the Speaker, in case of a grave disorder, without moving a formal motion, he has the right of immediate suspension, without any formal motion. And this rule, the way it has been abused by the current Speaker, is the very antithesis of democracy. It is all that democracy should not be. In December 2023, Birla ji ordered the largest mass suspension in the history of Indian Parliament, suspending 100 opposition MPs. This one episode alone accounted for over 40% of all Lok Sabha suspensions since 2004. In the last 20 years, in one day, he suspended 40% of the total. And why did he do this? What was our grave error? We wanted a statement from the government on the breach of the parliamentary security. Was this not a matter of national importance? You tell us. Let this be a fair and neutral debate. Now, while these MPs were suspended, Birla ji presided over the passage of 3 criminal amendment bills without any substantive discussion. I would say he's criminally complicit in throttling democracy. Criminally complicit in throttling democracy. But this incident was not a one-off for him. Between 2004 and between today, I've listened to all of you, Mr. Pal. We can't speak to you anymore. We have listened to you. Please expunge it.
The word criminally is removed from the record.
Please expunge it, sir. Please expunge. Suresh ji, please let me say. Suresh ji, please let me speak, sir.
The word criminally is removed from the record.
Please remove it. Please remove it. It will make him no less a criminal. Please remove him. But this incident was this incident was not a one-off moment for the Speaker. Between 2004 and today, 245 suspension actions were recorded in the Lok Sabha, and half of this total, 120 suspensions, were done by Birla ji alone. And that's not all. He's the only Speaker who has suspended only opposition MPs. 100% of these 120, 112 in the 17th Lok Sabha, and 8 अरे आप बताना बंद कीजिए मार्शल साहब, वो चेयर पे बैठे हैं आप नहीं, वो बैठे चेयर पे आप नहीं, आप बताना बंद कीजिए माइक पे. 120 suspensions have been done by Birla ji alone, and they were all Lok Sabha, they were all members of the opposition. 0 NDA. Let us now look at the numbers for previous speakers. The country has a right to know these statistics. In Somnath Chatterjee's time, 2004 to 2009, only 5 MPs were suspended. Never once Rule 374A used. 4 were suspended due to irregularities in MP lads, and 1 was suspended due to some impropriety on an MP tour. Somnath Chatterjee was a UPA nominee. He presided over turmoil in the House. There was, Advani ji was LOP at that time, but he never suspended NDA MPs. He never throttled their voice. He was called headmaster because he used to always scold MPs. He even went so far as to say that you all are misbehaving so much, you should not be allowed a penny of the public paisa to be spent on you. But even then, he never suspended anyone. Then we come to Meera Kumarji. She was also an UPA nominee. She was Speaker 2009 to 14 when Sushma Swaraj ji was LOP.
Honorable MP,
She suspended.
once
Yes, ma'am.
again, I would like to remind you
Yes, ma'am, sir.
that any MP who suspended is not suspended by the Speaker. The House suspended.
I'm glad that you have been reminded of this, sir, by the Honorable
House.
Marshal,
It
and
is a
I will
house. There
take
is a
your point.
process.
And I will
There is
say,
a process, there is a procedure.
yes, sir.
There is a process, there is a procedure.
All right, sir. He presided
The
over
procedure-
it.
the
Sir,
process
can I-
is followed.
Yes, sir. He presided over it, sir. I will change my terminology thanks to the intervention from the Honorable Marshal. Thank you very much. Perhaps we should add a 10th member to the panel. We should add a 10th member to the
No, no.
panel. But anyway, I'm
No.
joking, sir.
No,
I'm
sorry.
joking, sir.
No, no, no.
I'm
No,
joking.
once
I'm
again.
joking, sir.
Once
All
again.
right. Yes,
Please
sir.
hold on.
Yes,
Please hold
sir.
on.
Yes,
No.
sir.
No, this cannot continue like
Yes,
this.
sir. All right.
This is not done.
Okay, sir.
This is
sir,
not done.
sir, let me go. I apologize. Sir, let me go back.
Her previous sentence is removed
Yes,
from the
sir.
record.
Okay, yes, sir. All right, all right. She suspended. She
Once
She
again.
is suspended.
Once again. Yes, sir.
This type of sly remarks should be removed, and I
Please
request the chair to caution the member to derive from this type of sly remark.
No, once again. No, once again. No, I fully agree. I fully agree
ahead,
with
please.
Mr. Bhatt. I fully agree because the comments are against the chair.
Sir, very good. Please continue. That's fine. Expunge it, sir.
Saugat
Please
Raji,
expunge
please
it,
understand.
sir.
These
Please
remarks are
expunge
against
it.
the chair.
Sir, we are moving a no
Earlier, the
confidence
remarks were
against the
against
chair. Sir, we are moving a no confidence against the chair. Obviously, the comments will be
No.
against the chair. Please let me finish, sir. Please let me, Suresh
Yes,
ji.
sir, Mr.
Suresh ji, please let me finish. Venugopal ji, please let
No,
me
sir.
finish.
No, sir. Please
Arey,
don't
Venuji, let me
misinterpret.
finish.
Please do not
You are taking my
misinterpret.
time, Venuji, please.
While she is supposed to talk on the
Arey,
resolution,
Venugopalji,
she is
please.
now remarking on the
Arey,
chair.
Venugopal
This
ji,
is not
let
done.
me speak. Let me speak, Venugopal
she's
ji. It's
requesting
okay.
you now
it's
to
okay.
sit down.
It's
Okay,
okay.
sir.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay, sir. Okay. So when Meena Kumarji was also a UPA nominee, she was Speaker 2009 to 14. Sushma Swaraj ji was LOP. She suspended a total of 45 MPs, but 70% of these were UPA, mostly Congress MPs. From their own party, because they were protesting against the bifurcation of Andhra Pradesh. Only 30% were from other parties. Sumitra Mahajan ji, 2014 to 19, suspended 73 MPs during her tenure. Of them, 25 MPs were Congress, 33% over the Lalit Modi issue. Remaining 67% were AIDMK MPs over the Kaveri issue and TDP MPs over the Andhra Pradesh special status issue.
madam, let me again remind you,
Yes, sir.
there is a process, proceedings.
Yes, sir.
Of
It's
the
a way
House.
of
It is the House
speaking,
that
sir.
decides.
She
It is the
presided
House
over,
that
sir.
decides.
Now, sir, you are just interrupting,
No,
sir. It is the presiding over the proceedings.
No,
The second macro
I will
point,
have
sir.
to interrupt you because you are not correcting the course.
Okay, sir. Yes, the second macro point. Arey Venugopal ji.
Sir, honorable MP has requested you not to interrupt her, sir. She has already requested.
No, sir. The second macro point, sir. The decline in the number of bills being sent for scrutiny to parliamentary standing committees under the guardianship of the Speaker. Let me change my terminology. Parliamentary standing committees were formed in 1993 for what? To scrutinize bills. The 14th and 15th Lok Sabhas, with the UPA governments in the place, sent 60% and 71% of bills to the Parliamentary Standing Committee. What happened in 2014? 14 to 19? The 16th Lok Sabha, only 27% of bills were sent. What happened in the last Lok Sabha? 16% of bills were sent. The way it is going in this Lok Sabha, God knows what will happen. It will become single digit probably. Now let us look for a more detailed dissection. The office of the leader of the opposition in the Lok Sabha was accorded statutory recognition under the Salary and Allowances Leaders of Opposition in Parliament Act 1977. It is equivalent to that of a cabinet minister in rank. Ram Subhag Singh was the first, Buxar Bihar was the first recognized LOP in the 4th Lok Sabha from the Congress O, which was the Kamraj Morarji Desai syndicate. That was the first time any party had won 10% of seats in the parliament. Now, the first statutory LOP was CM Stephen. He was MP from Idukki in Kerala. Since the post was given statutory recognition, there have been 12 LOPs. 3 times the term has been vacant. Of these 12, 6 were Congress, 5 were BJP, and 1 was Babu Jagjeevan Ram from the Janata Party. So it was been pretty evenly distributed. Each of the BJP LOPs, LK Advani ji, Atal Bihari Vajpayee ji, Sushma Swaraj ji, has had more than their fair share of parliamentary time and spotlight in the correct spirit that the opposition owns the house.